everyone. Hello, this is Anna, Migrant Dr. Mom. I'm excited. I'm looking at very beautiful scenery. These houses are pretty.
Show us.
Can I show you? I don't know if you guys can. You guys see anything? Can you see? I'm still struggling to look at the water. We are actually in Leshnot area. Look at all the water there.
Where is Leshnot?
Leshnot is in the southwest region of WA.
What's that?
People have Western Australia. People have very beautiful homes here, guys. Can you see? These homes that touch the coastline. Can you see? Can you see that jetty? The jetty. You guys know what a jetty is? Huh? So a jetty is a place where, you know, from land you can see, like, you know, an extension into the water body. So yeah, this is it. I am actually visiting this area called Leshnot. This area, this was my normal road when I used to do my training, my GP training. So I would drive every so often on this road to go to my friend's house. By the way, guys, shout out to my good friend Cynthia for hosting me for almost, was it 18 months or more? Actually, she hosted me. She put up with me for all those months, and she was amazing. You know, when you are away from your family, sometimes it can be very emotional because you want to be home, but you know you have a target to meet. You have to finish your training. So it can be very lonely. You can be homesick and all that. But guys, with my friend who's now like a sister to me, Cynthia, I was able to go through my studies. I would go home, I would find her, she would, you know, we would have a meal together, we would laugh. At no point was I completely lonely. So I'm really, really grateful to her because she played a big role in ensuring that I was able to finish my training and finish it on time. So shout out to you, Cynthia. God bless. Now look at I was gonna show you this bridge, but we've gone past so quickly. So they say southwest region, they say this area, Australind, Eton, Bunbury, it's a lovely place southwest of Western Australia. It is a favorite holiday destination. It has very pretty homes actually. The homes in this place are very, very beautiful. Please go straight here. And lots of activities for the kids. I know it has a couple of churches as well, and recreational places. What do you call it? Golf clubs. I think there's one upcoming up there. I think I should switch the camera. But guys, I just want you to look at that road. Let me show you that road and just see how beautiful those trees are. You know, can you guys see? They just form that nice canopy. I have a thing for canopies, people. If you've not watched, in my high school we used to have this jacaranda trees canopy, and then they would sometimes, in certain seasons it would like shed its flowers, and it would be all purple on the paths, on the footpaths. So yeah, I think this one here is a favorite place for functions. I forget the name. What is it called? I don't even know. Yeah, so this is the road. This is Old Coast Road, I think. Old Coast Road that comes and joins it is definitely Old Coast Road and comes and joins the freeway freeway to Bunbury. Yeah. Oh yes, it's the Sanctuary Golf Club. Sanctuary Golf Resort. Okay. Is there a difference between a resort and a club, guys? Comment on there and tell me if there's a difference between a gold resort and a golf resort and a golf club. Okay. Say a journey to a friend's house is never far, you know. So if you have friends who tell you, oh, your house is too far off, a journey to a friend's house is never too far. So that's why I'm driving 2 hours to go see my lovely friend and just catch up, you know. So yeah, so Southwest Bunbury has a nice you know, farmers market. It has Pad Shade, it has a couple of Woolies, so a couple of places that you can get supplies that you need. So yeah, nice place. It's been home to me. It has it has seen me grow from a junior doctor to where I am now. So that's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me.